How to maintain a good body shape and tighten sagging breasts. How to make breasts firm and larger. The truth is, women fear aging, and we all want to preserve our youth and reject aging. So, what are the methods to fight aging? Especially for women over 25 years old, how can they combat aging? After 25 years old, women's hormone secretion decreases, and collagen, elastic fibers, and hyaluronic acid in the dermis, which are used to support the skin, slowly diminish. The skin becomes loose and saggy, showing signs of aging and loss of elasticity. For women over 25, wrinkles, thickened waist, and loss of a graceful figure can be a significant blow to their beauty and social recognition. Therefore, maintaining women's youth and health and normal estrogen levels are inseparable. Declining estrogen secretion not only leads to poorly developed and sagging breasts, but also rough skin, wrinkles, irregular menstruation, and osteoporosis. Hence, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial, and balanced nutrition is essential. Women can supplement estrogen by improving their diet and taking nutritional supplements to balance hormones. Daily foods such as fresh royal jelly, sunflower seeds, sesame, onions, peanut butter, and legumes contain estrogen, which can add charm to women who love beauty. Studies have shown that Pueraria mirifica, a herbal plant found in the deep mountains of Thailand, is rich in high-activity soy isoflavones, plant estrogen, that help women maintain hormone balance. Pueraria mirifica is a unique plant of the Pueraria genus in Thailand. It is known that Thai women have been accustomed to taking it orally or using it for skin care and breast enhancement for several centuries, promoting more beautiful skin and fuller breasts. Currently, the Miri Beauty Revital capsules on the market extract the essence of Pueraria mirifica and is formulated to help women over 20 years old reduce discomfort caused by menstruation, beautify and combat aging and wrinkles, make breasts elastic, full and firm. The Miri Beauty Revital is suitable for adult women aged 20 to premenopause. They help maintain the internal endocrine balance of women's bodies, nourish the body, reduce fine lines and relieve dry skin and acne breakouts. They maintain bone density and improve pore development during puberty, such as flat breasts and small physiological breasts, making breasts fuller for women who have not given birth. For women who have given birth, it can improve sagging, loose, concave, atrophy, asymmetrical size, and imperfect breast shape. It regulates the normal menstrual cycle and endocrine system, has the effect of breast enhancement, beauty, skincare, and sexual desire regulation, and reshapes women's graceful figures. This brings many benefits to women, and also makes you more beautiful if you love beauty. Whether you're a young lady who wants to preserve her beauty, or a mother who wants to restore the shape and size of her breasts after childbirth, Miri Beauty Revital is perfect for you. Experience the benefits of our capsules and enjoy a more attractive, confident, and beautiful you. Try it now. Miri Beauty Revital is available in Singapore pharmacies, TCM stores, and the website at yumtrade.com. Retail price is just 58 Singapore dollars only. Purchase or delivery inquiries at 6562 5526. 6562 5526.